Sit tight. A day in the life of a Tartahan solo travel edition. Ito talaga to travel vlog. Ano talaga to? Ticketing vlog. Ito pala yung view ko. Pasok na ako. Oh my gosh, 53,919. This is the first time na okay yata ako sa delays kasi more time for Ticketmaster. Okay. Hopefully ito na. My turn. Please, what does this mean? Ang bagal. Grabe tong sit tight. Ha? I believe sit tight with seatbelt. Let's go! Ting adventure to ha. Natatawa na ako.
Speaking.
Diba? Sit tight with seatbelt na to. Ewan ko na kung ano pa bang gusto ni Ticketmaster. Please. This is my sad story for today's ticketing. I'm watching BTS in Singapore. Happy birthday!